Bright Cutie. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session we are going to discuss some of the question and answers from the topic that we have covered so far. So children, in this question you have to answer, you have to buy a house for yourself. Would you buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Can you explain the reason? So children, what we have discussed is whenever the air in the area is heated, it rises up. So children, suppose you have a house which has only windows but no ventilators. So all the hot air that will be collected during the day will be collected at the top of your rooms, and there will be no space for this hot air to escape from your house. But if there will be ventilators present in your house, this hot air can simply escape through these ventilators. So let's just see. This question can come up to a 2 or a 3 marker question. So how you will write this in your exams? You will write, a house having windows but no ventilators should not be bought. Why? This is because warm air is lighter than cold air and therefore it goes up. And this warm air can go outside the house mostly through the ventilators. And if there were no ventilators, then the warm air cannot go outside the house easily, and it will just create a very warm or heated house, which you don't want. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Give an activity to prove that hot air rises up. So children, this question is asked in the form of an activity. So you will have to write it in which form? You will have to first give the aim, you will write materials required, then you will write procedure, observations, and finally you will give the conclusion for it. So children, let's just quickly briefly discuss about this activity. What we are going to do is, we will take a rod. To this rod we will tie 2 paper bags. Okay, 2 empty paper bags, and in the inverted positions. Okay, bags A and B, and the center of it we will tie to another thread so that it is balanced. Okay, we can fix it over here, secure it. Okay, and below one of the paper bags you will place a candle, burning candle, and after some time you will observe that this bag rises upwards and bag B moves downwards, and this balance will be disrupted. Why children? This is because the air above this candle starts heating. Okay, and once it starts heating, it will start rising up, and when it starts rising up, it will fill the bag A with hot air, and as a result, with the rising air, hot air rising, the bag will also move upwards, bag B will move downwards, and as a result the balance will be disrupted. And this activity children proves that the hot air rises up. And this was all about the question and answers from the session.